Hey, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and essential for all artists, a color palette and brush. Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, we're going to draw the palette. Let's start by drawing a large oval shape. This will be our palette where we mix our colors. Great job! Now, let's add some round shapes on the palette. These will be our color holders. Draw about 6 small circles inside the palette. Now that we have our palette, it's time to draw the brush. Start by drawing the handle, make it long and straight. Now, let's draw the tip of the brush. It's like a small, curved triangle at the end of the handle. Fantastic! Our drawing is complete. But before we move on to coloring, let's make our outlines bold and sharp with the black marker. Now it's time for my favorite part, coloring. Let's bring our palette and brush to life with some vibrant colors. I'll show you the color pens we'll be using. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Maroon color. Awesome! Light purple color. Green color. Purple color. Olive gold color. Yellow color. Red color. Look at that! We've made a beautiful palette and brush. Great job, everyone! I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Keep practicing and exploring your creativity. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.